still, my soul, the Lord is on your side. Bear patiently the cross of grief or pain. Leave to thy God to order and provide. In every change, He faithful will remain. Be still, my soul, your Savior and your friend will lead you safe unto a joyful end. Be still, my soul, thy God doth undertake to guide thy future as He has the past. Thy hope, thy confidence, let nothing shake. All now mysterious will be bright at last. Be still, my soul, the waves and winds still know His voice who ruled them while He dwelt below.